Welcome to PrinTao 8. This movie shows how easy it is to set up PrinTao 8 with one or more printers. If you are installing a printer for the first time, you can do this directly from the PrinTao 8 Start window. Initially, please make sure all printers to install are turned on. Please also ensure that all printers are connected with your Mac via USB or are available in the same network in order for PrinTao 8 to automatically detect them. Click on Choose Your Printer and all printers ready for installation are shown. The Install button next to each printer model will download and install printer drivers for this individual device. The download also includes profiles for paper types the printer manufacturers offer. Additional profiles for other manufacturers' papers can be installed separately. Click on Continue to complete printer installation and to open PrinTao's Start Pilot. The installed printers are now available, including individual paper types and options. This button opens PrinTao 8's printer settings, where you can also install additional printers. After both windows have been closed, the new printers are available here in the Start Pilot window. Have fun with PrinTao 8, and goodbye.